Hi everyone, I'm Said Anwar and I am super excited to welcome you the very first video of our channel OU Prep Hub. To celebrate the launch, we are giving away the best study material for free. As many of you know, we already having a Telegram channel over 1500 members. Now we are launched this YouTube channel OU Prep Hub to help the students for free. You can download more materials, important questions and notes and previous question papers for free from our website. Kindly visit ouprephub.in.
I am providing you 5th semester English summary, Osmania University. This is very beautiful material. In the background we use very beautiful graphics. This material is prepared by us. So I will show you what the key features of this material. Here the table of content. When you click any of these topics, for example the postmaster, when I click you will redirect to the postmaster. And second feature of this website, we use in the background very beautiful images or graphics according to the lesson name. Here the lotus, and in the background we use a lotus flower you can see. And in this material we use very simple and easy English words. Everyone can understand very easily. Now I will show you how you can download our material for free. Visit Google and search here. This same thing. If you write any other thing, you will maybe not find our material. See this 5th Sem English material by OU Prep Hub. Then search. I will try to provide direct link on my video description, this video description. And see here 5th semester English study material. And here check carefully logo, then you can visit. After visit, see here our YouTube channel and WhatsApp and Telegram and Instagram. You can follow or join us. Scroll down and see here download now. Once click here and after 10 seconds you can download it for free. Explore this website, very beautiful website designed for you. See here this beautiful material downloaded on your mobile phone. Keep connected us. Thank you.